Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about sets. So what is sets? In our daily life we often use phrases such as bunch of keys, a pack of cards, a flock of birds, a team of athletes, a flock of sheep, a group of boys. So the words bunch, pack, flock, team and group are used to denote a collection of objects. In mathematics, the word set is used for a collection of objects. So by definition, we can say that a set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. A well-defined object is one that has specific property by which we can easily identify whether or not an object belongs to the given set. A book, for example, does not belong to a cricket kit. A tennis ball does not belong to a set of books. A collection without well-defined objects is not a set. The objects in a set may include physical objects as well as symbols, letters and numbers. Let's take an example. Are the objects in the given sets well-defined? The set of planets in the solar system and the set of vowels of the English alphabet like A, E, I, O, U. Yes, in the first set there is no doubt about the elements or members of the set solar system like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. All the planets are included in solar system. So in the second set, again we know which letters are being referred to: A, E, I, O, U. Considered other example, a group of popular children in your school, a group of interesting books. These two examples are not included in a set because the term popular, interesting are not well defined. A child may be considered popular by one person but not by another. A book may be interesting to one person but boring to another, and so on. So a distinct object is one that is different from other objects in the set. It is not identical to any other object in the set. For example, if a letter appears twice or thrice in a collection, it is written only once in the set. I hope so. It was very easy concept with simple example. Is there any query? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.